tomato. I have a tomato tree, and I grew one of my tomatoes, and they're always this one's red and perch. We want to eat it.
With a salad here?
Yep, hard salad.
Show me the tomato tree. Let's eat that tomato. That looks good.
Tomato tree. Here's the salad that goes with it.
Oh, remember when Jaeger used to steal them?
Yeah.
He hasn't seen them yet.
No. We're eating that. It's our survival. Remember pretending?
Here, you take a bite and then I'll eat the rest if you don't want it. You get first bite since you grew it. Is it good? Hey! You didn't leave me for me.
He ate the green part.
Yummy.
He's just like,
I'm gonna try one.
I am too.
Can we get one?
Yeah. Oh, I want this red fry.
That man.
Yeah, look at this red fry.
That's so red. Oh, look, Jaeger wants one. Watch this.
Hold the salad, please?
Hey, let's do an experiment. Let me tell Jaeger he can have one. Go ahead, Jaeger. Want one? Go ahead, get one.
Lager, you want this?
There he goes.
Lager. No. Hey, Lager, good.
Oh, he would have took it. Oh, now you want that.
He ran away with it with honey.
Never seen Dobermans that eat tomatoes.
Now we just gotta wait 15 more days.
15?
Yeah. Wow.
Blew me away. Let me see. All right.
Cold. When does this handle?
Go work on your potion. Now that looks a little gross. Maybe throw that in the fire. You need to make a fresh one.